The Supreme Court announced Friday afternoon it will hear a case on whether municipalities are able to bar unhoused people from sleeping on public property or whether homeless people have a constitutional right to camp on public land, as cities continue to grapple with rising homeless populations. Homelessness hit a record high in the U.S. last year, jumping 12% over the course of the year, according to a report from the Department of Housing and Urban Development. Roughly 653,000 people in the U.S. were experiencing homelessness in January 2022, an increase of more than 70,000 from the number of homeless people recorded 1 year earlier, according to the HUD. Homelessness in the U.S. had been on a downward trend from 2010 to 2017, when HUD recorded 554,000 people experiencing homelessness, though homelessness has more recently shot up, with analysts attributing the rise to a string of factors. One of those reasons is a lack of affordable housing and rising costs of homeownership, Jeff Olivet, head of the Interagency Council on Homelessness, told The New York Times. HUD also attributes the recent spike to the expiration of several COVID-era aid programs designed to assist renters, including a federal moratorium on evictions that sunset in 2021. That spike in homelessness has made the issue a primary policy initiative across the country, including in California, which has the largest population of homeless people in the nation. 28% of the U.S. homeless population lives in California. Last October, Governor Gavin Newsom, D-Calif, announced a string of initiatives aimed at tackling homelessness, including by creating more than 700 units across 7 cities. Other efforts have leaned toward removing homeless encampments, with an appeals court ruling in September allowing officials in San Francisco to enforce laws to remove encampments. Homelessness hits record high after 12% jump this year, U.S. officials say. Forbes. What to know about Massachusetts Hepatitis A outbreak affecting homeless and illicit drug users, Forbes.